Hi guys, this is Anupma Singh and you all are watching the Koi Moi Bollywood show. And in today's episode, we are going to talk about KRK and tweet wars. I know the Deshdrohi actor, but hardly people know him for his film. Otherwise, he is known as Twitter Drohi. Yes, that's the right term. And why he's been called as Twitter Drohi, this is what we are going to tell you in this episode. So if you're not following KRK on Twitter, I'm going to tell all the tweets which created war, and that's why we have this episode KRK Tweet War. Starting with Sonakshi Sinha. I know he never tweeted about Sonakshi Sinha, but he tweeted for Deepika Padukone, for which Sonakshi took a stand and then the tweet war started. So what exactly he tweeted? Deepika Padukone has the biggest butt in the world. I don't know how he knows that. And for that, Sonakshi Sinha felt bad and she retweeted for KRK. KRK is a woman disrespecting waste of space and deserves to be hung upside down and given 4 tight slaps. I agree to her. And he didn't stop as usual and he replied to Sonakshi Sinha. Sonakshi Sinha ji, I am really sorry if you took it in a disrespecting way. It's just a survey. I don't know what he writes. It's just a survey is a disrespect of women, so you are disqualified and out of competition. Sorry to hurt your feelings. We are also very sorry that you stay in our country and you are so free to tweet anything you want to. He moved to Veena Malik. God, I'm so excited to read this out because they both are so controversial. Pata nahi kya likha hoga. So as you all know, Veena Malik, the Pakistani bombshell, she has been criticized for staying in India as she doesn't belong to India by KRK. This is not by me. So let's see what he tweeted for her. All the people who love India, they should beat Veena Malik like dog. Why like dog? And ask government to deport her immediately. Who is going to ask that? Okay. MNS and Shiv Sena do not want bhaiyas to stay in, but they do not have problem with Veena Malik. He writes amazing. I don't know how he writes. His language is mind-blowing. So, why she must leave India, I request MNS and Shiv Sena to oppose Veena Malik and deport her right away. And he added later, we don't need Veena Malik when we already have Poonam Pandey, Sharlin Chopra and Rakhi Sawant. I don't think so he respects any of them. KRK didn't spare anybody in his tweet war. And the next was Mahesh Bhatt. Can you believe it? Mahesh Bhatt ji also. But he tweeted about him also. He tweeted, Murder 3 is a flop. Which I think Mahesh Bhatt ji didn't took very nicely and he felt bad and he retweeted to KRK to answer to his tweet. वही अंदाज है जालिम का जमाने वाला, दोस्त होता नहीं हर हाथ मिलाने वाला. We'll wait for the world opinion and accept it. And somewhere KRK felt that the renowned director is upset with his tweet. He apologized and he tweeted, Bhaijan, I'm very very sorry to say the truth. Film can't be flop or hit from my review. Allah kare main galat hu, maafi kijiye. For which Bhatt Sahab replied, Bhai mere, truth told with the intention to hurt is worse than a lie. I agree to him. It's not your opinion, but your niyat to hurt me. I hope it's not just Mahesh Bhatt ji, but we all have understood his niyat, which is I think not very good. He just not post, but I think somewhere he wants to pinch or create that controversy which hurts people, and that's why he always take up to all these big celebrities. And after Mahesh Bhatt Sahab, he moved to Bhatt Camp's the most favorite actress, Vipasha Basu. So while tweeting, he posted a picture of papaya and then he wrote, these are as big as Vipasha K in Vipasha's song. That's so demeaning. He further wrote, believe me, I go crazy when Vipasha move her boobs on the song Vipasha of Jodi Breakers. We also go crazy when we read such tweets from you, KRK. But Vipasha, as usual, she was dignified and she replied very beautifully. She wrote, there is a lot of filth in this world and I don't think we should give these filthy, lecherous remarks any importance. She's so correct. So if you think he stopped here, let me tell you, he got even worse with his tweet wars. And this time he targeted Sunny Leone. Maybe he thought that she is the softest target ever. And he posted, rape is not a crime, it's just a surprise sex, tweeted by Sunny Leone. Though Sunny Leone never tweeted this, but he claimed so. She got so disturbed with it that she complained a FIR against KRK and Sunny Leone's lawyer quoted. Actress Sunny Leone emotionally and mentally disturbed after KRK's claimed tweet. And after all this, KRK's guts reached to the peak when he shocked people by tweeting, "It's my challenge to the entire world that if Narendra Modi ji will become the next PM, then I shall not leave only Twitter but India also forever." But I think he's on Twitter still, and he's in India also. Today I am leaving forever as I promised, and congratulations to Narendra Modi ji for winning with majority. Hope for good government, so I am leaving India forever as I promised. I don't know if SRK and others will keep their promise, but I will keep. I don't know others even made the promise, but at least you should have stood by your promise. Come on, yaar. What you are still doing in India? Well, Shah Rukh Khan retweeted him, the icon of the nation. Good time to tell all the fools who are talking of a tweet that I didn't tweet, you suck as much as the grammar of that fake tweet, and I am being kind. I am sure he's being kind because he deserves worse than this. And that's why we hope that now you all know why we call KRK Tweet Drohi. So we'll meet you in the next episode with whole lot of news. Till then, bye-bye. So for more Bollywood news and updates, please subscribe to our channel. These are as big as Vipasha K. In Vipasha, can spare anybody in his tweet bar. Sorry.
Continue.
I hope it's not just Mahir. I'm going to tell you. Okay, so as you all know, Veena Malik, the Pakistan.